Greetings, students. Welcome to my class. Students, in the previous week, we did the two poems, Dust of Snow and Fire and Ice, and we did the first part of the third chapter of your English textbook, First Flight. And the name of the first part of the third chapter is His First Flight. We did these three things in the previous week. In this week, we will focus on the writing section. By seeing these pictures, I am sure you must have an idea that which aspect of writing section I am talking about. And yes, you have guessed it absolutely correctly. I am talking about the letter writing. So students, today I will explain in detail what letter writing is. This will be as per CBSE syllabus. We will be looking to take at the format of formal letters. But before we go ahead, I would like to tell you what is letter writing. Letter writing is an art. It is nowadays an essential part of personal as well as professional. स्टूडेंट्स इसेंशियल हियर मीन्स जो चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी हो हमारी लाइफ में, पर्सनल व्यक्तिगत एंड प्रोफेशनल हियर मीन्स व्यावसायिक, जो दोनों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है लेटर राइटिंग. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट आर्ट्स ऑफ सिविलाइज्ड लाइफ. इट इज़ एन आर्ट विच एवरी एजुकेटेड मैन शुड डेवलप. We have to write many letters of one kind or the other during lifetime. हमें अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे लेटर्स लिखने पड़ते हैं अलग अलग तरीके के. Hence, it is desirable to know what makes these letters interesting and attractive. The value of a good letter is always great, both in business and in personal correspondence. A good letter always impresses. A badly written letter may lead to misunderstanding. A letter is a substitute. Substitute means when we have a choice or option in place of something, we have another option. विकल्प. For conversation, letter एक बातचीत का विकल्प हो सकता है. It is nothing but speaking with a pen. It should therefore be as simple in form and natural in style as if the writer was actually speaking to the addressee. The object of a letter is to convey a message to the person at the receiving end, there being no personal contact. It is therefore natural that every letter should be simple and clear and concise. The style of letters should be adapted according to the person and the subject. It is therefore essential to learn not only the technique but also the art of writing letters through constant practice. Students, now I would tell you about the kinds of letters. There are mainly two types of letters. One, informal letters. Second, formal letters. Before we going through the formal letters, I would like to tell you something about informal letters too. Informal letters, as you must know, that these letters are written to our friends, family and relatives. There is no formal language used in these letters. That's why they are called informal letters. Now, formal letters. First of all, what are formal letters? Formal letters are ways to communicate your perception of a serious issue. Perception here means your way, your thinking, your opinion, your idea of a serious issue. These will mostly be addressed to the editor, mayor, police, an officer of importance and so on. These may be written too. Formal letters are written to number 1, business firms, companies. Number 2, officials of government or public bodies. Number 3, editors of newspapers. Number 4, principals, heads of offices or firms for different reasons. These was formal letters are written to these kinds of person. We can write to these persons, as I have told you in this Students, in this audio clip, I would tell you till here only, and in the next clip I would tell you, and we will discuss about the format of formal letters, which is very important. So this is it for this audio clip. Thank you.